Koikimedia, we're live níbi tí a ti ń pín leaflet àti sticker fún gbogbo àwọn ọmọ tí wọ́n ti mọ̀ pé Yorùbá láti dá dúró. Tẹ́ bá wo gbogbo agbègbè ibi tí a wà, ẹ rí pé àwọn ọmọ pọ̀ rẹpẹtẹ tí àǹfààní kankan ò sí fún wọn. Ìyẹn la ṣe ń sọ pé kí gbogbo wa ká dá dúró. Ká bá dá dúró ni a máa rí ọ̀nà kọjá. There is a lot of poverty within the Yoruba land, and a lot of people do not understand what so many people are going through. Look at the environment, look at the people. But one thing is, until we all stand shoulder to shoulder, and then we will be able to tell the international community that we want to stand on our own. We've had enough of the atrocity committed against, crime against humanity. 60 years, Nigeria never worked for anybody. Àwọn èèyàn wà káàkiri kò síná, kò sóúnjẹ, kò sí iléèwé. Ìjọ la fẹ́ máa bá yẹn lọ títí. Ìyẹn la ṣe ń sọ pé ẹ jẹ́ ká dá dúró, ẹ jẹ́ ká kúrò nínú Nàìjíríà ká lè rọ́nà kọjá.